You searched how to buy shares of Blue Owl Capital Corporation. Blue Owl is an investment firm active in private credit and alternative asset management, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker OBDC. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and then add funds to start buying. Use the platform search field and type the ticker OBDC to find the listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ entry to locate the correct Blue Owl Capital Corporation stock. Open the stock page to see basic company details and a price chart that shows recent market activity. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. Choose to invest by entering the amount you want to buy, review the order type and cost, then confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may not execute until it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Your new position will appear in the portfolio once the order fills. For the eToro link and more details, see the description below.